welcome to Piece of Pie. My name is Candy Pie, and if you want to learn how to do this curly look, stay tuned for my tutorial. I did this look before, but I used the Marley hair, and this is similar to the Marley hair. This is actually crochet hair, and it's called water wave braid. For this tutorial, you will need hairpins, rubber bands, a hair tie, and some edge control. So basically what I did, you can use a twist out with this style, or you can twist your hair back. What I'm trying to do is I want to match my curl pattern with the curl pattern of the hair. You can also do a twist out. So if you just do individual twists, that will also work as well. Let's take out our twists. So once your braids are all out, make sure you don't have any parts showing. When you pull the hair back, you don't want to have any parts, but try not to break the hair up too much. Part the hair, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna put a ponytail. Okay, and the reason why I left the front out is so that it won't be too tight. I'd rather pin it to the ponytail than tie all the hair back, because it will pull the hair. It more so stretches the curl, and you kind of want that curl pattern to kind of be present. Just pin it to meet the ponytail. So we're gonna take our crochet hair, take a rubber band, 2 rubber bands, just in case you get any one of them breaks. Separate the hair. Like so. I have to do that for you again. But it's basically attached now. You wrap it around this ponytail. Take the rubber band, wrap it around here in the middle, and then pull it through the middle of the other side of the rubber band. Like so. I hope you can see that, and I hope you were able to follow. Okay, now wrap this around the ponytail. Make sure it is hanging in the front. Okay, put your hair back. Start pulling apart the crochet hair. And this will give it some volume and make it look so perfect. If you wanted the ponytail to be thicker, buy another pack. And yeah, add more hair. The pack of the Marley hair that I bought before, when I did this before, it was really, really thick. So I only needed 3. I guess you can call it a bundle. I would have gotten another pack of hair just to give me more volume and just, yeah, for it to be thicker. Take some of the hair in the back, have it in the front, just to give it a little height. Because I wish I would have put it up a little further up top, but it's okay. And you just wrap it around. Tack your hair down with a bobby pin to the back of your hair. Move on to our baby hair. So this is pretty much the ponytail. Make sure you're gentle when you're separating your curls, not to pull too hard. And this is the final look. It's even cute on the side too. If you did it on like a ponytail sitting on the side, that might be a cute style. All right, you guys, So this is basically the final look. It's easy, it's no heat, it's great for those who are natural and those who are not. It's a great protective style, and yeah. So I hope you like this. I hope that it was easy for you to do and pick up on, and that is the final